With news on dynamic companies, innovative products, and emerging technologies making moves in the global marketplace, this is a Market Mover TV Business Report.
I'm John Witt, and welcome to Market Mover TV. Today our special guest is Steve Cotton. Steve's chairman of FireScope Corporation. One of the things we've been talking about is how pervasive technology is in society today, and the thing that I found fascinating is how your product helps keep those products up and running more frequently.
Yeah, so FireScope is a cloud-based software solution that helps companies keep the services that they deliver to their customers up and running, particularly those services that are based on technology. The way you and I would think about that would be an ATM machine, electronic medical records, the Uber app if you use that. Anything that is dependent on technology to deliver a good and service to a consumer or a business, we're about keeping up and running.
You're a pioneer in this industry. I mean, this isn't something anybody else is doing.
No, historically, what we've had is some big companies try to tackle this problem, people like IBM or HP, but the problem with their solutions is that they weren't cloud-based. They would take up to 18 months to deliver, and that simply doesn't work or scale in a market today that changes, if not weekly, then daily. And our solution is highly scalable, highly flexible, and can be deployed literally on the same day that our customer decides to use our product.
Well, let's talk about speed to market. I mean, you just mentioned IBM and maybe 18 months, but what's going on with you guys? You're able to deliver a lot faster than that.
Well, I think the reason that we're enjoying the rapid growth that we're enjoying is because our customers get immediate value when they deploy our product. Think of it as having an army of consultants coming in to deliver what FireScope delivers with just giving you a user ID and password, and you're up and running in an hour.
So what are some of the big customers that you've got on board today, and what are you looking for down the road?
Yeah, today we have over 500 customers, and they're big companies that you would think of like General Electric, Credit Suisse, Wells Fargo. What I get excited about is that as more people understand how technology is impacting just about everything we do, is that gives FireScope the opportunity to grow rapidly in what analysts says is a $45 billion market.
Talk about where you see this company going from a revenue standpoint over the next 3 to 5 years.
Well, with our recent acquisition of Pangea Systems, which is formerly a reseller of our product, we now have a global sales footprint, and this year we'll grow over 100%. And management believes they can grow the company triple digits for the next 3 to 5 years.
I know that you're not publicly traded today, but I understand that there's a pre-IPO offering.
As part of the acquisition, we decided to go ahead and make available up to $5 million of our shares, pre-IPO shares. I bought $1 million of that $5 million, so that's how much I believe in it. And it's still open. About half of that's available for folks if they're interested. And I think it's a unique opportunity to get in on the ground floor of an established, emerging company, and I think our shareholders can get pretty excited about what the opportunity is for them.
So you will have an IPO coming out down the road.
I believe the company will either go public in the next 3 to 5 years, or we'll have an overture from another large public company to purchase us. But either way, I believe that as a shareholder that it's a great opportunity.
So Steve, tell our audience how they can get in touch and find some more information about FireScope Corporation.
They can visit us at www.firescope.com, and we're happy to provide them any of the information around our private placement, our acquisition, or about the business.
Well, so thanks for joining us today. Really appreciate it.
Thanks, John, again, for having me.
The proceeding is not an offer to sell stock. Investors should always do their due diligence and contact their broker or financial advisor before deciding to buy, sell, or hold shares of a particular stock.